In today's video, we're going to be installing the official anti-reflecting screen protector on our S24. We're going to be installing this on our S24 dummy here. And I think this is a good thing because you can see how reflective this screen is. So we'll see if this anti-reflecting screen protector makes any difference. In the box, you'll get 2 screen protectors, an installation jig, a couple of dust stickers, a microfiber cloth, and a squeegee. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is install the installation jig. So just peel off the stickers, pop it at the bottom of your S24, then just sort of push it into the sides. Now, in the box, Samsung don't actually include any sort of cleaner for the phone, just the microfiber cloth. So if you do have some safe screen cleaner around, I recommend that you just spray a little bit on first and just give it a final wipe. Once you've wiped the screen dry of any cleaner with the microfiber cloth, grab the included dust stickers and just dab them on the display to remove any little bits of dust, as this could ruin your installation. Now, the first step is to remove this tab 1. Then line up the bottom half with the installation jig and place it onto the phone, making sure the camera part is completely center. Then just push down where you've just removed that tab. This will help stick and secure it to your device. Now, the next step is to grab that squeegee, pop it on the display and pull part 2 towards you, bending the screen protector. Now push down with that squeegee in one hard, smooth motion. This will remove the protective back from the screen protector and secure it to your device. Now we need to repeat this by moving the phone 180 degrees round and taking off that installation jig. By grabbing the squeegee, placing it on your phone and pulling the tab towards you. You will have to peel back a little bit further to make sure the protective backing starts to peel off. If you followed these steps correctly, you shouldn't have any bubbles underneath the screen protector. If there's any near the edge, just grab that squeegee and try to push them towards the edge a little bit more. Now, the final part is to remove this protective film. Carefully pull this towards you, making sure you don't pull the screen protector off the phone. Now it's installed, I can safely say this anti-reflecting screen protector does a great job. It sort of has a bluish tint to it. When light does hit it, it definitely doesn't reflect light as much as it did before. If you'd like to purchase this, check out the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe as well.